I do think it is a good time. I think this second, it's the market's having a transition. It's been having a transition from a seller's market to a buyer's market, right? And the sellers are still catching up to that and adjusting the pricing. But as things get harder to buy, and that's with the single family as well. So, I was back in '08 in the last correction. I had started investing in 2005, so I went through that cycle and it became very, very difficult to keep buying real estate. Well, everything that I managed to buy past '08, and as difficult as it was, those properties ended up being very, very profitable because obviously less buyers, right? And the opportunities start popping up. So for those of us that can still get the financing and can still raise the equity and can find those deals, yes, 100%. I do think this is a good time. I think it's going to continue to be a really good time for, I can't tell you how long this is going to take to start going back up, or even just go to the bottom. I would say for the next few years, there's going to be a lot of opportunities.